1 hour only. Okay. Right. Exercise 4.1. Exercise 4.1. Fifth problem. Everyone see the fifth problem. 4.1. Fifth problem. That is the exercise 4.1. Fifth problem. Fifth problem. Okay. Fourth problem is completed. Right. Fifth problem. Everyone write down. Fifth problem is. Fifth problem. See everyone. Right. See the fifth problem. Clear now? Fifth problem. Right. Everyone write down the fifth problem is 1 into 3 plus 2 into 3 square plus 3 into 3 cube. So dotted. First one is the n into n power of n into 3 power of n. Okay, 3 power of n. Answer is given 2n minus 1 into 3 power of n plus 1 plus 3 upon 4. Right, start everyone. Everyone start and do the first bit. Everyone start and do the first bit. So tomorrow everyone, I hope that everyone must be joined in that one. Again, second piece students also going to join. Majority, you have to give the big hand to cooperation with them. So tomorrow 11 to 12, everyone join. Again, sir, not focusing on board, sir. Camera is not focusing on the board. Now see, keep camera front, sir. Clear, sir. Now see, now clear. Actually, Nichal is telling that clear. Yes, sir. Clear. Nichal is telling clear. Remaining person. Sanjeev is telling yes. Aishwarya is telling yes. Vaibhav is telling clear. Any other? Yes, clear. Right. Rani also telling clear. Now start. Everyone start. Start. First write down. So step 1 write down everyone. So step 1. Step 1. Principle of n numbers such that. So 1.3, 1 into 3, not dot, 1 into 3, 2 into 3 square, plus 3 into 3 cube, dot, n into 3 power of n is equal to 2n, is equal to 2n minus 1 into 3 power of n plus 1, plus 3 upon 4, right, everyone? Take the left hand side. Take the left hand side, everyone. Everyone, take the left hand side. First, go to the LHS. So, for n is equal to 1. LHS is equal to. So, principle of one number. Principle of only one number. What is the first number? Is the 1 into 3. 1 into 3 is the value. Right, find out the RHS. In right hand side, n place is the 1. 2 into 1 minus 1 bracket 3 power of 1 plus 1 plus 3 upon 4. Right, simplify. 2 minus 1 is the 1. 3 square plus 3. 3 square plus 3 upon 4. What is the value? 3 square is the 9. 9 plus 3. 9 plus 3 upon 4, 12 by 4. 12 by 4 means 3 times is cancelled. 4 1 time, 4 3 times. Answer is 3. LHS value is equal to RHS. LHS value is equal to RHS. Therefore, principle of one number is true. Principle of one number is true. Right? Principle of one is true. Very good, teacher. Very nice. Go to the step 2, everyone. Go through the step 2. First, move towards step 2. Step 2, assume that. Step 2, assume that principle of kth term, principle of k terms is true. Principle of k term is true. Now write down n places the 3. Principle of kth term is 1.3 plus 2.3 square plus 3 into 3 cube dotted plus k into 3 power of k number is equal to 2k minus 1 into 3 power of k plus 1 plus 3 upon 4. Now go through this step 3, everyone. Go through this step 3. Everyone go through this step 3. Any problem regarding camera, ma? Any problem regarding camera? No problem, na? No, sir. Right. Very good. Go through this step 3. Everyone go through this step 3. For k, place write down k plus 1. P of k statement is, remember, this is the value of P of k statement. This is the value of P of k statement. P of k statement answer is this one. This one we are going to use. This one we are going to use. Now for everyone write down step 3. Step 3. For k is equal to k plus 1. For k is equal to k plus 1. 1 into 3, 2 into 3 square, 3 into 3 cube. K place is the k plus 1. K place is the k plus 1. Write down. K place is the k plus 1. K place is the k plus 1. And 3 power of k place is the k plus 1. Right side also k place is the k 2 times of k place is the k plus 1 minus 1 into 3 power of k place is the k plus 1. Already we have 1 plus 3 upon 4. Right, upon 4. Right, everyone write down. So 1 into 3 plus 2 into 3 square plus 3 into 3 cube dotted plus k plus 1 before number. See, 3 before is the 2, 3 before is the 2, k plus 1 before is the, sir, right letter, little big letters. Now, okay. Right. I will write. Now see, now clear? Now clear? Amrit, now clear? Amrit, now clear? Right, yes. Not it. K, see, 3 before is the 2, 2 before is the 1, k plus 1 before is the k. 3 cube before is the 2, 3 square, before is the 3 power of 1, 1 power, before is the k plus 1 into 3 power of k plus 1. Its simplification is 2 times of k, 2 into 1 is the 2 minus 1 is the 1, 3 power of k plus 2, 3 power of k plus 2 plus 3 upon 4 plus 3 upon 4. Okay, now clear everyone? Right, now we can see this is the P of k statement up to this one. P of k statement, what is the P of k value is right down? P of k value, right? P of k value 2k minus 1. LHS take LHS. In the LHS side, P of k statement plus up to this one P of k value plus k plus 1 whole power of 3 power of k plus 1. Now in that place P of k value right now, What is the P of K value is? Write down everyone. P of K value is, write down. P of K value is 2K minus 1, 2K minus 1, 3 power of K plus 1 plus 3 upon 4. This is the P of K value plus K plus 1 into 3 power of K plus 1. Right now take LCM and simplify. Everyone take LCM and simplify. Everyone take LCM and simplify. Everyone take LCM and simplify. LCM is the 4 cross multiplication. So now this is the value of P of K. So 2K minus 1, 2K minus 1 into 3 power of K plus 1 plus 3 up to plus 3, okay, up to this one plus 4 times of K plus 1 into 3 power of K plus 1 plus 3, plus 3 plus upon 4. Now simplify right side. Same answer is getting or not, you can observe. Simplify the right side. Everyone simplify the right side. In these two terms, this term and this term, take 3 power of K is the common. 3 power of K plus 1 is the common. Here is 2K minus 1. Here is 4K plus 12. 4K plus 12. 4K plus 4, sorry. 4K plus 4. 4K plus 4. Plus 3 extra. Plus 3 extra upon 4. Now simplify everyone. So 3 power of K plus 1. Here is 2K plus 4K is the 6K. Minus 1 plus 4 is the 3. Plus 3 upon 4. Upon 4. Right, simplify everyone. So now simplify. 3 is common. 3 power of K plus 1. 3 is common and this bracket. 3 is common. 3 is common. What is the remaining is 2K plus 1 plus 3 upon 4. Bases are equal at the powers. Bases are equal at the powers. 3 power of K plus 1 is the K plus 2 into 2K plus 1 plus 3 upon 4. Same RHS. See the same RHS. Same RHS we are getting. Same RHS we are getting. See, same RHS we can get. LHS is equal to RHS. Now, write down the conclusion step. What is the conclusion point? Write down everyone. You should write down the conclusion point. Everyone write down the conclusion point. By the PMI, principle of mathematical induction. By the principle of mathematical induction, the given problem is true for small n belongs to capital N. Small n belongs to capital N. True for small n belongs to capital N. Everyone is clear? Now it is clear, everyone? Write down the sixth problem. Go through the sixth problem, everyone. Do the sixth problem. You should do the sixth problem, everyone. Go through the sixth problem. Everyone go through the sixth problem. First move towards sixth problem. Right, see the sixth problem, everyone. Right, see the sixth problem. Everyone see the sixth problem. 1 into 2 plus 2 into 3 plus 3 into 4. Dot, 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 dot. N into n plus 1 is equal to right side is n into n plus 1 into n plus 2 upon 3. Right. Everyone prove. First we can prove this one. Everyone prove this one first. Step 1 complete. Once again I am recollecting. Tomorrow 11 to 12. Everyone join. I will send ID. So can everyone join for? So doctors will be take how to decrease your stress on mind and how to improve your how to memory power. Everything they will tell. So we can ask the questions. So everyone, you should utilize that program. Okay, na? Right. First step, everyone do the step 1. Step 1 proof first. Proof is step 1. Everyone do this step 1. Step 1. P of 1 principle of n numbers formula, that is 1 into 2 plus 2 into 3 plus 3 into 4 dotted plus n into n plus 1 is equal to right side is the n into n plus 1 into n plus 2 upon 3. Upon 3, right? You can go. Now take for n is equal to 1, left hand side. Principle of one number, only one number you should be take. What is the one number is? 1 into 2 LHC. So LHC, yeah, only one number. So LHS side is the only one number. Principle of one number, that is equal to 1 into 2, its value is 2. Right side n place is substitute 1. Right side n place is substitute 1. Bhai, tell me.
Yes, sir. What happened, sir?
What happened?
Sir, you left meeting, sir.
No, it is going on.
But it is showing that you are not there in meeting, sir.
Oh.
We cannot see, sir, you.
Cannot see, na?
Yes, sir. It is showing you left meeting only, sir.
No, that 41 members is there, na?
Yeah, wait, sir. I'll rejoin, sir.
One time you can see.
Yes, sir.
Am I everyone see?
No, sir. You are not there in a meeting, sir. I'll send screenshot, wait, sir.
But it is showing the 41 members now.
37 are there, sir.
Okay, I will stop. Once again, I will begin.
Yes, sir. Put message in WhatsApp, sir.
Ah.
Rejoin, sir.
हाँ भाई
Hello?
हाँ
Sir, you are only not there in meeting, sir. Everyone again rejoined, sir.
yes this year is not responding. What happens one time? Wait.
Yes, sir.
Zoom is not responding is coming.
Yes, sir.
That is, I am going to closing means it is not responding is coming.
Yes,
What
sir.
is the reason? I will check one time.
Today computer class also that only happened, sir.
That's the same happening. It is rounding. What is
Yes,
the
sir.
reason? I will check. Okay, na?
Yes, sir.
No,
Yes, sir.
me. Okay. क्या ये respond होना नहीं?
क्या respond होगा नहीं?
Yes, yes. Zoom.
हाँ?
Zoom.
आप सब हुआ है ये हो गया हैंग हो गया थोड़ा
हाँ?
हैंग हुआ ठहरो
हाँ.
क्लास हो गया है
क्लास हो गया.
नेट नेट है क्या तुम्हारा नेट यूज कर रहे हैं
हाँ.
नेट है हो गया
है.
एंड करने में नहीं आता
हाँ.
ये होना क्या करी तुम्हें नॉट रेस्पॉन्डिंग हो रहा
हाँ.
जब ठहर को आता ना
आप कर रहा ना?
करना को हो जाता आप नहीं करना
हाँ?
आप नहीं करना हो जाता स्टेज है
हाँ.
41 है
क्या करना है? ठीक है भैया.
नहीं होता
बच्चे का फोन आ 41 नंबर क्या है? ये जैन है. नहीं तो बिप्स का लगाएंगे. देखो नहीं तो नेट क्या तो प्रॉब्लम
का नहीं आप तुम्हें क्या करना नहीं आता वो हैंग क्या है ना नेट है नेट का प्रॉब्लम है ना जूम इज नॉट रिस्पॉन्डिंग बराबर
हाँ.
क्लोज द